Have you ever wondered how the universe began or what causes an earthquake? Let's find out as we begin to look at A Short History of Nearly Everything by Bill Bryson, where he unravels the mysteries of science and history in a fun and fascinating way. It all started with the Big Bang. Imagine a colossal explosion creating the universe, forming countless stars and galaxies. This marked the beginning of everything we know. From a chaotic cloud of cosmic dust, the Earth took shape. Over millions of years, it cooled and transformed into the solid planet all of us now call home. Life began in the primordial soup of early Earth. Simple, single-celled organisms emerged, setting the stage for the incredible diversity of life we see today. Through evolution, life on Earth evolved from simple organisms to complex animals. Fish gave way to amphibians, reptiles, mammals, and eventually humans. Each step a remarkable leap in the story of life. For millions of years, dinosaurs dominated the Earth, thriving in diverse habitats. But around 66 million years ago, a colossal meteor impact drastically changed the planet's climate, leading to their sudden extinction. How did life manage to rebound and evolve after such a massive event? After the dinosaurs, early humans emerged, spreading across the globe. They adapted to various environments, developing tools, hunting, and forming societies. How did early humans adapt to their environments? Key scientific discoveries have shaped our understanding of the world, from Newton's gravity to Einstein's relativity to Watson and Crick's discovery of DNA. Each unlocked new realms of knowledge. A Short History of Nearly Everything has made science accessible and engaging for a broad audience. It encourages curiosity and a lifelong love of learning. In conclusion, the book highlights the importance of curiosity and exploration. What scientific question would you like to explore? Let your curiosity guide you towards new discoveries. Bill Bryson's journey to write this book began with his own curiosity. He traveled extensively, interviewed experts, and immersed himself in scientific literature to bring you this incredible story in A Short History of Nearly Everything. This book not only educates but also shows how science impacts our daily lives and future. From technology to medicine to environmental conservation, science shapes our world in countless ways. Remember, the pursuit of knowledge is a never-ending journey. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and let your curiosity lead you to new and exciting discoveries.